Hi dear students, welcome you all to another session of Brainiac's Doubt Clearance. So we have a new question from the chapter solutions. Okay, just we will go through the question. The freezing point of nitrobenzene is 278.8 Kelvin. Okay, a 0.25 molar solution of a substance which is having a molecular mass of 120 is kept in nitrobenzene, and this causes a freezing point depression of 2 degrees. Calculate the molar depression constant of the nitrobenzene. Okay, so here let's see how to do this actually. Now we know that what is given here, we know that there is nitrobenzene is there. Into that we have added some solute, and they are saying it's a 0.25 molar solution of a substance in nitrobenzene. So we will apply the fundamental formula of depression in freezing point, that is delta Tf is equal to Kf into molality. Correct? Okay. Hope you might have listened to the lectures, detailed theory sessions in Brainiac's lectures. Others who doesn't have listened, or others who need these detailed lectures, please contact Brainiac's classes. Okay. So delta Tf. So we know that here what you need to calculate the molar depression constant. So we will say Kf is equal to delta Tf divided by molality. Correct? Molality. Now, what is the delta Tf here? So in the second line, they are telling that when you are adding a 0.25 molar solution of a substance in the nitrobenzene causes the freezing point depression of 2 degrees, that is delta Tf is 2, because this is the amount the freezing point has underwent depression. That means if you have freezing point of 278.8 Kelvin, when you are adding a solute, this particular solute into it, the freezing point depressed by it will be 276.8. It has depression, it has underwent decrease. Okay, now what is the molality of the solution? They have directly given, that is 0.25. Now if you are doing this, you know that 2 divided by 1 by 4 it will come. So that means Kf value will be nothing but 8. So the unit is given here, Kelvin, kilogram, mole raised to minus 1. So Kelvin is coming from delta Tf, that is the temperature unit. Molality, you know that number of moles per kilogram. So you can see here how I am deriving the unit. For temperature, I will put Kelvin here. Molality, we know that number of moles divided by mass of the solvent in kilogram. So we can say mole per kilogram. So Kf will become what actually? Kelvin. Kilogram will go in the numerator, and mole, when it comes, it raised to minus 1. Okay, so which option will be the correct answer? I hope the option A will be the correct answer. So if you have understood our explanation, please like our channel and subscribe it to get more videos and prepare well for the NEET 2021. And if you need detailed lectures, please contact Brainiac's classes.